sorry.
Hi everyone, I'm Travel Bug Sue and welcome to my channel. If you stopped at this channel, I presume you're looking to get on a flight but not spend all that money, and that means using your points. So to do this, there's lots of ways of getting points, but before we do this, you have to become a frequent flyer. So if you have already got one of these, it makes you a Qantas Frequent Flyer, and that's what I'm going to be concentrating on, because it's easy for us here in Australia to earn points on the Qantas Frequent Flyer program. So if you've already got one of these, you can skip this review, or you can keep watching and you might learn something that you don't already know. So to start being a Qantas Frequent Flyer, as I said, you've got to become one. And to become one, simple. Go on onto Qantas.com and join. But when I say simple, well, it costs you $99.50, and I still don't know why they charge that, because there's so many other ways to become a frequent flyer with Qantas. And I'm going to let you know about all the ways you can join Qantas Frequent Flyer for nothing. So the first thing is credit cards. There's heaps of credit cards that have big sign-up bonuses, meaning bonus points for Qantas, when you apply for their credit card. And that usually means that you have to spend a certain amount on that card for, say, 3 months before you're allowed to get those points. But it's well worth it, especially when we've all got bills and we've all got things to pay. And even our holidays will pay on that credit card. And if you're like myself, I'll pay it off straight away. I just use a credit card to get the points. So that's the big money spinner for frequent flyer points. You can go onto Qantas.com and look under Qantas credit cards, and they'll explain to you there all the different credit cards that are available. Another thing you'll find on the Qantas site is Red Energy, one of their partners. And if you change your energy bill to Red Energy, you'll get 2 points per dollar. If you pay it with your credit card, you will get also the points that the credit card gives you. So if it gives you 1, 2 or 3 points, you'll get that as well as the points you get for your Red Energy. So another way of becoming a frequent flyer is to join Red Energy, and it also gives you a membership to Qantas Frequent Flyer. Now, your Qantas Frequent Flyer card is also a money card for those that you, or those of you that didn't realise. This Qantas Frequent Flyer card is also Qantas Money. It's a MasterCard, but it's a debit MasterCard. So the only money that goes in there is your own money. And this is the only money card in the world that I know you can earn frequent flyer points through spending, whether it's here or overseas. And you can lock in rates before you travel in 10 different currencies. And again, Qantas has specials with these. So again, you get them on the email. You've got to always check your emails from Qantas, because all your specials and your deals and bonuses come back to you on your email. And these cards will save you a lot of fees. There's no monthly account fees, currency conversion fees, load fees, card-to-card transfer fees, or ATM fees within Australia. So every now and then you'll get something from Qantas Money saying that we've got, say, 5 points per dollar for every currency over $1,000 that you exchange this week or for the next 2 weeks or whatever the deal is. But that's another way of getting money, points rather, another way of getting points. and another way of becoming a frequent flyer for nothing. So just how do you do this? Well, you log on to the Qantas Money site and you'll see at the bottom it's asking you if you're a frequent flyer member. And if you're not, well, you can join there for free. Now, once you're a frequent flyer member, don't forget to download the Qantas Money app and you can see what's happening with all your Qantas cards. So another way of becoming a frequent flyer for absolutely nothing is to become a Woolworths Rewards member. If you're already one of these, you can link this card to your frequent flyer card. Or if you're not a frequent flyer yet, join Woolworths Rewards and you will be a frequent flyer because you get it for nothing. All right. Again, it's all about linking and all about getting your emails, because Woolworths is going to send you specials and they watch what you buy. They will send you specials for extra points on your account that go to your Qantas account from your Woolworths spending. And not only do you use this for Woolworths, you use it for a lot of other places, and I'll get to that later in another review on Woolworths Rewards. Well, I hope you found this review helpful on how to become a frequent flyer for free. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button at the bottom as well as the bell to get my weekly reviews, and tune in next time and we'll start earning frequent flyer points. I'm Travel Bug Sue, and thanks for watching.